my channel. Today I want to show you how to creating the like subscription, like, comment, subscribe, and then bell as well. Okay, now in this Windows filmora is like 10x, or now there is new version 11. You can buy that. It's very good and then really amazing. So now this is what I have now. Is like 10x, and here we have many like from elements. We are creating like comment and support as well, and then the bell. All right, so what we are going to do now is very simple and easy. Like I just creating this what name I'm looking, which is audio which is looking good and then nice to hear, like this one. So I will use this one, and you can drag it and then cut it as this much, like what I'm already making. After that you can make woof, something like effect. Wherever you change will be shown this. Okay, so what we are going to do, you have to cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this, and then cut this. So this is the animation of the whoop. If you click this will be whoosh. Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to delete this, otherwise one time you can make Ctrl A. Alright, it doesn't work. Okay, now let's apply this house looking good. Now it is to make more the looking nice. You can creating this animation to be like you can creating animation to click here, and then like will be, I will use this normal only, like it will be zoom. Alright, and this will be rounding, and this will be hiking, and this will be shaking. Okay, after that let us look how it's going on. Okay guys, to make more looking good, you can creating the background on your video background. Here you can keep it, otherwise we can make it transmission to making more good looking. Let us look and let us see. Okay, and I will go to using basic and this one as well. Now let us see what happened. Okay guys, this is the video simple how to creating the creating the subscription, like, comment button. It's very easy for you. Otherwise you can use only 3 without this additional this bell, because the bell and this is already together. So you can keep it, this sound is in here, and remove this. Alright, use delete and delete this. So we can try now. You can use like that, and you can make more looking good this one, and we can keep it this zooming. Or you can keep rounding also this one. like that. And how about this? It's already done, and then this one need to be changed. Ya, daripada ora. Terserah senong.
Oh, cepetan.
Oke, kuah goreng.
Goreng.
Boleh. Okay, guys, now it's simple, it's very easy. It is already like 12 detik to creating the button of the subscription. Alright, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's build this project as well. Now I'm going to board and going to extract intro. Now going to export now. Okay, now already export, guys, and then this one also will be used for the list. Like it's what my tutorial, I will keep it in the front and then in the last. Alright, let's see now how it's going on. Okay, it is fine to target. Now this is the one video. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Goodbye.